Hello everyone. Today we are going to fold a small board. A very beautiful board. Prepare a square piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Then fold these two corners together. Unfold. Rotate 8. Fold the bottom corner to the center point. Rotate 8. Fold the bottom point to the center point. Rotate 8. Fold the bottom point to the center point. Fold the bottom point to the center point. Now you have a square shape. Then, fold this corner to this point. Fold all four sides in the same way. Form this shape. Then turn it over. Align this edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Fold this corner inward. Do the same on the left side. Rotate 8. Fold this corner inward. Do the same on this side. Align this edge with the center line. Do the same on the left side. Rotate 8. Align this edge with the center line. Do the same on this side. Rotate 8. Now you have this shape. Fold this point to the center point. Fold the top point to the center point. Lift it up. Now you have this shape. Turn it over. Now you need to fold these 4 points inward. Place your finger inside here. Pinch this line and push inward. This corner is folded. Fold the other corners in the same way. Push inward. Pinch here with your fingers. Alright, our boat is finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time.